Hello, welcome to the question number 1 of the paper 2 of Gambia General Mathematics 2025. So, Masani, right, went to a shop with $1,425. He bought a shirt, a pair of shoes, and an electric iron. The cost of the electric iron is $85 less than the cost of a shirt, and the cost of a pair of shoes is 4 times the cost of a shirt. So after paying for the items, he was left with $88. You have to calculate the cost of electric iron. If you look at the cost of each of the items, they are all, two of them is expressed in terms of one of them. So we look at for that particular one and let that be a variable we can stand on. So the cost of an electric iron is 85 less than the cost of a shirt. So electric iron is in terms of a shirt. Then the cost of a pair of shoes, 4 times the cost of a shirt. So if I know the cost of a shirt, I can find the shoe cost and electric iron cost. So let's just say we let X be the cost of a shirt. So if X is the cost of a shirt, then the cost of electric iron, let me just have here, is going to be $85 less than that. Meaning, if you take away 85 from the cost of a shirt, you will find the cost of what? Electric iron. So that means X minus what? $85. Then that also means that the cost, let me just say shoe, cost of a shoe is also going to be 4 times the cost of a shirt, meaning 4 times what? X. So these are the individual costs of the items he bought. Then he still have $88 left after buying everything. So let's see, putting all the costs together, see it equal to the value that he went to the store with. So this implies that the cost of a shirt X plus the cost of an iron X minus 85, the cost of a shoe 4X plus whatever is left after buying everything 88, supposed to give us 1,425. Everything, when you put them together, we have to get that value. All right, let's see. X plus 4X will give us 6X minus 85 plus this will give you 3, right? So as we'll be having equals to 1,425 minus 3. Positive 3 here goes there to become negative. So 6X will be equals to 1,423. No, we are taking 3 from here, so that will be 2. So X will be equals to, let's divide, okay, 1,422 divided by 6. X is going to be, let's see, on our calculator, 1,422 divided by 6 will be giving you 237. So here it means that X is the shirt. So the cost of a shirt is going to be $237. That is the cost of a shirt. All right. Then we are looking for the cost of an electric iron. The cost of electric iron is what? X minus what? 85. That means that we are going to have $237 minus what? $85. And that will be giving us 100 and what? Let's say $152. All right. So if we were to find the cost of a pair of shoes, which is 4 times the X is going to be 4 times 237. That will give us the cost of a shoe. But the question is asking for only the cost of what? The electric iron, which is going to be the 85 less than the cost of what? The shirt. I believe this is also clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for number 2.